Maggotty High School.
Right. Do I know?
Smith,
Okay.
head coach of Maggotty.
Coach,
1, 2, 3.
coach, disappointing result, but the performance from the team showed a lot of heart, especially the go down to 10 men, still fight on. Can you take us through the game?
Yeah, man, I think it was a really good game. It was a really tough team to play. We lost our discipline in the first half because our midfielders weren't doing enough in terms of picking up the runners, and they were playing one ball basically over the top. So in the second half, we made the adjustment and we reduced that. So as it is now, we are just looking forward to our next game, which is on Saturday. We could call it our home game. So we are looking forward to that game.
One of the toughest games this year, please.
Yes, it's a very tough team, and we knew that before, that it was going to be difficult. So, well, as I said, it's a young group too, so we just have to come back.
A transition team, does this a game like this teach you now the opponents that you're supposed to like to face and how to adapt to them?
Yes, a lot. Because as it is now, this is the first time our guys are basically meeting this tough opponent, and it was really a good fight. I could see that we really played. You know, and
from your perspective, would you say a game like this, going up against a tough team, playing like this, you think that the momentum and the strength that you guys show today can carry over to the next game?
Yes, man. We actually believe that, because as it is now, we are on 3 points. So our next game, as I said, is at home. So we are expecting and we want the desired result, which is 3 points. So
based on the group setup right now, 6 points they can take.
Yeah, man, and we are confident enough that we have to win the next game. We don't really have a choice right now. So we are ready.
Coach, I thought in the second half you really understood what Ocho was doing, but in terms of having the legs and the fitness to carry it out right through the game, and then that red card kind of stop your tactics to stop them from getting that diagonal pass to the play they call FIFA. It's very dangerous.
Yes, and as you realize, as I currently said, the second half we made some adjustments because we found out what they were doing. Because we know they wanted to play the ball to the number 7, to 7 to hit it to the 10. So we made some adjustment and we realized that we basically reduced all of that. But once they got the red card, I think it kind of hampers the whole thing. But as I said, it was a good game and we just have to come again.
You have a number 11 on the pitch, I don't know his name. Very deceptive player, kicking on the ball. But you guys controlled some aspect of the game in terms of keeping the ball and the ball retention. But in the attacking third, you're not scoring.
Created chance as well.
Yes, what happened? I think we are creating the chance, but I said to my guys, listen, the ball is not going to just go in the goal. We have to really want it, right? And at times we got opportunities, but I don't think we were crushing the box enough. We didn't make the box enough, because even some of the screens that came across, we weren't alert enough. So as I said, next time we just have to go back to the training field and just work on some stuff and come back ready for the next game.
All right, cool.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, man, thanks very much. Bless up yourself.